Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now we explore how buuz is made, from kneading the dough to the perfectly seasoned meat filling. From preparation to plate, making Mongolian buuz. Now that you know what goes into buuz and why they're so important culturally, let's get into the exciting part. We will explore how these delicious dumplings are actually made. From shaping the delicate dough to cooking them just right, each step brings you closer to enjoying this beloved Mongolian dish. The art of folding buuz. Folding buuz is truly an art form, and it's often a skill passed down through families. While many different ways exist to seal these dumplings, the most recognized shape is often called the flower or star pleat. This design is not just pretty, those pleats are vital. They help to create a strong seal, trapping all the delicious juices inside the buuz as it steams. This ensures every bite is bursting with flavor. Think about it like this. Each family often has its own slightly different technique. Perhaps a grandmother taught her children one specific way, and they passed it down. You might see subtle variations in the number of pleats or how tightly they're pressed, but the goal remains the same. The process starts with placing the filling in the center of a thin dough circle. Then, you carefully bring the edges together, pinching and folding them around the top to create that classic sealed top. It takes a bit of practice, but the result is always worth it. Steaming to perfection. Once your buuz are folded, the next step is steaming them to perfection. Traditionally, Mongolians use a multi-tiered dumpling steamer, often called an achur. This allows many buuz to cook at once, perfect for family gatherings. If you do not have an achur, a large pot with a steamer basket works just as well. Here's how to steam your buuz. Lightly oil the steamer trays or basket to prevent sticking. Arrange the buuz without overcrowding them. They need space for the steam to circulate. Bring water to a rolling boil in the bottom pot. Place the trays or basket over the boiling water, ensuring the lid forms a tight seal. Cooking times can vary a bit based on the size of your buuz, but they usually take about 15 to 20 minutes for medium-sized dumplings. You will know they are ready when the dough becomes somewhat translucent and the filling feels firm. It is very important not to overcook them. Overcooked buuz can result in dry meat, taking away from their tender, juicy appeal. Keep an eye on them. Perfect steaming means soft dough and a succulent center. Serving suggestions and accompaniments. Steamed buuz are always served piping hot, straight from the steamer. This ensures you experience their full warmth and juicy flavor. While many people enjoy buuz plain to truly savor the rich taste of the meat, traditional accompaniments often enhance the meal. Some common ways to enjoy authentic buuz include simple tomato sauce. A light, savory tomato-based sauce is a popular choice for dipping. Its slight tanginess complements the rich meat filling. Chili oil. For those who like a bit of heat, a drizzle of chili oil adds a wonderful spicy kick. This creates a delightful contrast against the savory dumpling. Plain. Many Mongolians prefer to eat buuz without any additions, appreciating the pure flavors of the seasoned meat and tender dough. Side salads or pickles. It is also common to serve buuz with a fresh green salad or a side of pickled vegetables. These offer a crisp, refreshing counterpoint to the steamy, hearty dumplings. Regardless of how you serve them, sharing buuz is a cherished moment, bringing warmth and flavor to any table. Mongolian buuz are more than just simple dumplings. They offer a rich taste of history and hold deep cultural meaning. From the carefully minced meat fillings to the artful pleats and communal steaming rituals, buuz represent connection and celebration. We encourage you to try preparing these delicious dumplings at home. Or, seek them out at a local Mongolian restaurant. Experiencing buuz firsthand provides an authentic flavor of Mongolia. It also reminds us how food helps us understand cultures and traditions from all corners of the world. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.